Hi everyone, I'm Jen and I'm here for Ryerson. I'm a first year creative industry student. I'm not from Toronto, so for my first year I decided to live in residence. For me, deciding which residence to live in was a really tough decision, but ultimately I chose a single room in Pitman Hall, and I'm going to show you what that looks like right now. So here's my door. Each floor in Pitman has its own floor theme. So ours is the office, and if you know the show, you get that. Here is my favorite part of my room. It's this giant corkboard. I keep my photos, calendars, posters on it. And then I also keep my course outlines right here. And on the back of the door, there's a mirror, so it's really great so you don't need to bring one. I also suggest getting a hook for your coat. And then I would also get a shoe rack. I don't have one, but I really wish I did, especially during the winter when I have a lot of shoes on the go. Right here is my closet. It's pretty big. I could have brought a lot more clothes, but I didn't. And I have these two bins up here. I keep my towels and sheets in this one. I keep cleaning supplies in this one. I got them both from IKEA, and they're pretty great, especially since that shelf is right there. Here I have more hooks for my towels and my robe. I definitely suggest getting hooks because the walls here are concrete, so you can't really stick anything in them. And then if you're in a Pitman single or double, I really suggest getting a robe because your washroom's out in the hallway and the showers aren't big enough to hold to like bring your clothes in. Here is my printer. This is supposed to be a bedside table, but I kind of repurposed it. And I also keep my shoes down here. So there are all the shoes I brought with me. There's some boots, sandals, and sneakers. So right here is my dresser. The dresser is really nice because the drawers are really large. You can fit a lot of stuff in there. I use the top to keep my toiletries. Then I also have a mug and a bowl, and I have some cutlery in a drawer. I suggest having stuff like that around for when you don't want to eat in the dining hall. This is a landline. I've never used it before. I don't really know why it's here as well. This is like the bedroom. So all the beds in Pitman are a twin XL. So it's a little bit difficult to find some stuff for that, like sheets, but you'll find it. I also suggest getting a foam mattress topper because the mattresses are really not soft. Then here is my view. It's Eric Palin Hall. Sometimes I can see into the offices. There's a 50-50 chance your view will be something like this, or it'll be something amazing of the CN Tower session. Right here, I have some shelves. I have some books up there, have my Eggie, of course, and then just extra things. And I also suggest definitely getting some string lights. There we go. It just makes the room a lot more cozier. Here is the desk. It's a really nice desk. The drawers are really big as well. I keep school stuff in here, just random stuff here, and I keep all my snacks down there. I also suggest getting a clock radio if you don't have one, and keeping it across from your bed, so if you wake up in the middle of the night, you know what time it is and you're not tempted to check your phone. I used to have some posters and stuff up here, but then they all fell down. And yes, that is a single room of Pitman. So that's my room. It's not much, but I love it. I spend a lot of time in my room, and chances are that you will too. So it's really important to make your room your own, especially because you spent 8 months of your life here. It goes by quickly, but it's really nice to have somewhere that you love to come home to after classes or after a really busy day. Just note that not all rooms in Pitman have that little hallway like I do. I love it. I'm on a corner. I'm so lucky. But also, if you're in a single or double in Pitman, you use a shared washroom out in the hallway. It has 2 sinks, shower, and toilet. Has everything you need. I personally have not had any problems with it. So if you're thinking about living in residence next year, check out ryerson.ca/housing, and I'll see you then.